Got some eggs and some beefy beef on that. This is not sponsored, by the way. You see, it's sizzle, sizzle. Let it get a sizzle. We're gonna put that pot on there so it can cook faster. If y'all don't have this pan, go get this goddamn pan. Got some steak. We put a little bit of garlic in there. Yum. We about to eat the hot for dinner. Now you can either eat this, or you can eat eggs. Oh yeah. That's done. That's done. That's kind of salty. That's kind of salty. Look, I'm about to go ahead and add some of this pure butter on there. Put my eggs. Okay, let me add some more because I like my egg extra buttery. I'm not gonna lie. Got the butter in the pan. About to go ahead and add my egg. I'm gonna go ahead and put my top on for this. We're gonna let it cook, okay? Okay. Something that my daddy taught me. How to make the perfect egg. This is how your egg's supposed to look. Perfect, okay? Now what you do is you gonna fold it to get all the rest of that yolk to the side. Look at that. Perfect egg. My daddy taught me that. Y'all better get a daddy like mine. Because my daddy taught me how to make a good egg. I like to cut it up a little bit. Let me show y'all. I like to cut it up a little bit and like flip it. I don't want it to get too like, I don't want it to be like too, let me turn the heat down. I don't want it to be too overcooked, but I like to turn it around. You see you got a little nice little burn on there? Turn it off after this because it's going to cook anyways because the pan is hot. And boom, you got you a nice egg, y'all. Y'all ain't never seen an egg like this. Never. I'm trying to tell you, you ain't never seen an egg this beautiful. This is a beautiful egg. I mean, look, this is 2 eggs. This is 2 eggs. You do scrambled egg like this, it won't be the same. I'm trying to tell you something. Put some syrup on there, and you got dinner. I ate all the steak, y'all. Steak was delicious. Good night.